I literally just closed my third client this week from cold email, and I did it by accident. You see, I've been using cold email for the last couple months to promote Consolidated's identity resolution service, which is not what this video is about right here. And so, because I had this big old group of people selling identity resolution, I thought I'm going to teach them how to do cold email as well. So I did a live workshop for all of them. And in that, one of the students said, "Hey, will this work for personal injury attorneys?" So I said, "Sure." So I made an example in our training on how to do it for personal injury attorneys, and I launched it. And I loaded about 925 prospects. I'm looking at it right now. So far, 214 people have actually opened their email. We've not even gotten 50% of the way through the list. And in that, we've had about 8 people that have replied. And I've already closed 3 of those 8 people. Now, you're probably thinking, bull crap. Let me tell you how I'm doing it so that way it all makes sense. What I do is I go to LinkedIn, a LinkedIn scraper, and I scrape a bunch of emails from LinkedIn. I then upload it in. All the emails are already pre-warmed. We're using YetEmail. You can see what that software is by going to yetemail.com. And just to be transparent, it's a partnered company in ours. I don't fully own that. And you put your Gmail accounts in, you warm them up for about 5 to 7 days. And what I have found the secret sauce is that the copy has to seem personal, but it can't be too short, but you don't want it too long either. It's kind of like a medium-sized copy. And the reason for that is you can get more replies by going shorter, but then what happens is you spend all day going back and forth, and then it's almost like you feel like you're doing this bait and switch thing where they don't know if this is a paid service or not. So I went through, made it to where my email was they knew that it was a paid service. And so the people who replied were genuinely interested in my service. Next thing I did was hop on a phone call with them. Then almost everyone said, "Well, can you send me more info?" I'm not the kind of guy that likes to send more info. I don't do proposals. Like, to me, that's boring and stuff I don't have time for. So I literally just took a loom, showed them how it works, sent them the loom, and I sent them a one-page agreement with a Stripe link. So far, 3 of them said payment sent, and now I have onboarding calls set up for this upcoming week. Now, I built an entire workshop that shows you how to do exactly this, how to get people in how to land in their inbox, how to get them to reply, and how to close. And I put it all together. It's only 97 bucks. And if you click the link below, you can sign up for that workshop. You can get instant access. It's not live, so you can get in, you can watch the replay of the live, and then we have actual modules and courses broken down in that. I'm telling you, it is a game changer. And you know what? Here's my guarantee. If you launch it and you don't get even just one demo from it, which, think about it, you could spend over $100 on Facebook and not get a single demo. If you launch it and you don't even get one demo call from it, I'll just give you your money back. I'm that confident that it works. Anyways, I appreciate you. Have an awesome day. Hopefully you take advantage of this awesome opportunity.